Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a story that's catching a lot of attention in the crypto world. VET, the native token of VChain, is showing signs of potential growth, and the buzz isn't just hype. According to a trader sharing insights online, VET could be on the verge of a significant surge, tied directly to some upcoming developments that could reshape its ecosystem. Now, I know what you're thinking. Crypto predictions and rocket emojis are fun, but they don't guarantee anything. And you'd be right. But when you look beyond the emojis and dig into the actual updates and partnerships, the picture gets a lot more compelling. Today, we'll break down exactly what's happening, the real utility being built, and why this might be a turning point for VET holders. So, what's driving the current optimism? It all starts with two major announcements from VChain. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research before making any decision. First, VChain released their January 2026 manifesto, and the focus is clear: blockchain utility for supply chains. This isn't just vague corporate speak. VChain is doubling down on what it does best, making logistics transparent, verifiable, and efficient. The goal is simple: bring blockchain to real-world business processes in a way that's meaningful and measurable. Second, there's a major overhaul to the token model. VChain introduced a system linking VTHO generation directly to VET staking through something called Stargate. For anyone unfamiliar, VTHO is essentially the fuel that powers transactions on the VChain network. This new model transforms staking from a passive activity, just sitting in your wallet hoping the price rises, into something that has genuine utility. Stakers can now actively contribute to the ecosystem while earning tangible rewards, which incentivizes long-term holding and participation. Now here's where things get really exciting. VChain has announced a partnership with 4Ocean, one of the largest environmental cleanup organizations in the world. They've already removed over 40 million pounds of plastic from oceans, rivers, and beaches globally. With this partnership, VChain's blockchain technology will help make these environmental efforts transparent, verifiable, and rewarding. The system works through an app called Clenify, part of VChain's VBE ecosystem. Here's how it works. You participate in a cleanup, maybe on a beach, river, or even a local park. You log your activity in the Clenify app, and that action is recorded on the VChain Thor blockchain. This means it's permanent, transparent, and verifiable. And yes, you earn rewards too: exclusive 4Ocean bracelets and VET tokens. Your environmental contributions are now quantifiable, trackable, and even collectible. Some skeptics might think blockchain for ocean cleanup sounds like buzzwords thrown together. But the reality is this: one of the biggest challenges in sustainability is accountability. People donate, volunteer, and hope their impact is real. But with VChain and Clenify, every cleanup has a verifiable on-chain record. You can see exactly what was done, where it happened, and the measurable effect. Clenify isn't alone. It's part of a larger VBE ecosystem, which already includes over 50 decentralized apps promoting sustainable behavior. For example, Mugshot rewards users for using reusable cups. Green Card incentivizes eco-friendly shopping habits. BYB encourages hitting fitness milestones. To date, the ecosystem has logged 43 million actions, diverted 350,000 kilograms of plastic, saved 8 million kilowatt hours of energy, and conserved 90 million liters of water. All these numbers are verified on-chain, which means they're not just marketing fluff. They're real, measurable impact. The ecosystem ties into vWorld, VChain's unified Web3 app and wallet. It's essentially your one-stop platform to interact with the entire VChain universe. Plus, the V Founder program allows independent operators to manage apps like Clenify, decentralizing operations and empowering communities to run their own sustainability campaigns without needing permission from a central authority. This is blockchain doing what it was designed to do: removing intermediaries and empowering people. Now, let's talk numbers, because I know many of you are here for the potential returns. VET has struggled recently, dropping about 4% over the past week, and currently trading near 1 cent, which represents a 1.34% decrease in the last 24 hours. Not exactly the moon mission we all dream about. However, one analyst recently shared a chart showing VET moving in a descending channel on the weekly chart. Historically, this type of pattern has preceded significant upward movements. Based on this, some projections are suggesting VET could reach 17 cent in the short term, a potential 16x increase from current levels. Unlike many projects in the crypto space, which are mostly vaporware or hype-driven, VChain has real-world partnerships and tangible use cases. Their focus on enterprise adoption and sustainability positions them uniquely as governments and corporations begin adopting blockchain for transparent supply chains. While other projects chased memes and NFTs, VChain has been quietly building in areas that could see significant institutional and regulatory attention in the near future. The new VTHO linked staking model could also be a game changer. It creates real utility, reduces selling pressure, and gives holders a reason to stay invested. Combine this with active ecosystem growth and impactful partnerships like 4Ocean, and you can see why some traders remain bullish even amid recent price declines. Of course, we have to keep it real. Crypto is volatile. VChain could announce 10 more partnerships tomorrow, and the price could still experience sharp swings because the market can be unpredictable. Nothing in this space is guaranteed, and any investment should be approached with caution. But here's the takeaway. VChain is doing more than promises and hype. They're creating verifiable real-world use cases, rewarding active participation, and connecting blockchain with environmental and enterprise solutions. That's why some analysts are watching VET closely despite recent dips. So to recap, VChain released its January 2026 manifesto emphasizing supply chain transparency and blockchain utility. A new staking model links VTHO generation to VET, giving stakers real value beyond price speculation. A partnership with 4Ocean allows environmental cleanup efforts to be logged, verified, and rewarded on-chain. The VBE ecosystem already includes 50-plus decentralized apps promoting sustainability with measurable impact. Market trends suggest potential upside for VET, but crypto volatility remains a key risk. Ultimately, VChain isn't just building another token. It's building an ecosystem with real-world impact, verifiable achievements, and incentives for active participation. That's a story worth following, whether you're a long-term holder or just curious about blockchain's potential beyond speculation. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe for more daily crypto insights. Catch you in the next one. Stay crypto smart.